Alright guys, here with Jackson, and we are going to be fishing on the pond today. Jackson's currently rigging up his rod, tying his bait, and
Yep.
I am going to start casting out. We're on the small pond, we'll probably work to the big pond, unless we get a lot of action here. Nate told us that there is a fish flopping over here, and he thought it was on the bank, so we're going to go find out. I don't see a fish over here. Oh, there it is. I see it. It's across right here, Jackson. Come see. I need some help. We gotta get in.
What is it?
It's a bass. He came out of the.
Wait.
He came out of the creek.
Hold on.
What?
You see it?
Yeah, I see it.
Right now?
See it, it's right there.
Let me see.
See it right there?
Here, I'll do it.
You got him?
Here.
Grab him quick. Here, I'm gonna help.
Wait, I got it right.
Yeah, I got him. It's a decent one.
It's a nice bass.
Come on, let me see him, Jackson. Let me see him.
Here, that's my bass.
Let's see him.
What? That is so crazy.
I don't even know where it came from. He must have jumped out of the water. And
Dragonfly. Use that put that on the top water.
yeah.
Get it, grab it. Keep him alive. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, dude.
Hey, dragonfly here
That's
for
about a 1.5 pounder. That's a nice one. Nate,
And I didn't even have to
that
catch
was
it.
so weird.
I'm just
How
like, I
do you
hear
think
him
he was-
flopping.
What do you think he probably tried to chase a bait up on the bank
Yeah.
and then probably
Well,
got stuck.
All right, y'all.
Turn this guy. Just
Hang
toss
on.
him out so that he's not.
Oh, look, you see that?
What?
Fish or something?
Right here.
Dude, this thing's
Right
gonna
here.
die.
No, he's not.
He's been
probably,
out for a few minutes.
But he'll live. I guarantee it.
All right.
Nice.
Oh, dude, we need to put that dragonfly on. Guarantee it.
Dude, why do we?
All right, guys, we just hooked this dragonfly. Because that bass that we just found on the bank, there was a dragonfly right next to him, which was this one, and we think that he might have tried to chase this thing on the bank. So, will you hold this because it's so light that you can't cast it? Just get your hands off the line. I have to kind of hand line throw this thing out there. See that?
Yeah.
I don't think it was a bass, but
He might be caught.
there was seaweed
I
on it.
see all this.
He's still alive.
I need to toss him out there where there's no seaweed.
All right, guys. Just came right here. Cast one cast right there by that bank. Pull it over, and then I don't know if you can see the water flowing out. I cast it a little too far in those reeds, and I popped it out, and I saw this big explosion behind my bait. So I was gonna reel it out a little bit, so I just let it sink. Didn't see my line going out, so I thought nothing was on. Popped it, and with that 1 pounder, gulped it. So sweet. He barely hooked himself too.
All right, Jackson just got a fish.
Another fish.
I was tying my jig.
Same thing happened. I casted it again, right at that mouth, popped it once, felt him hit it, and then a little splash on the water. And just let it sit there for like 5 seconds, and then set the hook on this guy. Alright guys, I'm gonna release this fish here. Let him swim over. Man, he looked at it and see where he went. Will's got a, oh yeah, nice.
Yeah.
Will just caught a fish.
Nice.
Sweet, dude.
That's our third fish. That might be our
Fish of the
best.
day.
Dude, my record.
Every fish we've caught today, guys, has came. I've caught 2 right at the mouth. Will casted about 5 feet to the right of it, where they've been exploding pretty good, and caught this fish. Probably a pound, maybe a little less.
Yeah.
But
So this guy here,
great fish.
I just gotten a bite on him. Or I just had a bite right here. I had the fish
He
on.
lost the fish right
I didn't
here.
set the hook. I think what happened, I thought I had the hook set and I didn't. So I didn't set the hook, and I think the fish was just pulling the worm around and he didn't get it. So then I just cast right there, got a fish on.
Yeah, so there's been fish from right here just to there, just exploding at whatever's coming out of that stuff.
All right, well, Jackson just got his third fish of the day.
It's a pretty small one.
Pretty small one, but
Probably not even half a pound.
Jackson, you just beat the record for the amount of fish caught on camera.
4?
It's 4.
Pretty good. So, do his bottom jaw, but he didn't really do much of a fight. But
Oh, that's a small one.
so he was just right there. Okay, but I mean,
Just toss him.
the fish. So I mean, go.
All right, I'm on.
All right. Oh, I'm stuck on something. Oh, here he is. He's out.
Fish on, fish on, fish on.
Nate's got a fish on too.
Nate's got a
Let's
fish.
go. Oh,
Nate
no.
Oh, he might be on mine. Hold on.
Got a branch.
Darn it. But Nate, your fish jumped.
Here, Nate, here. I mean, Jackson, here. Hold this. I might have one on.
All right, yeah, I got it.
I caught it on a branch
no, it's
and it completely grabbed that fish.
Dude, oh yeah, dude, you had him on. Here, hold this.
No, dude, like, I couldn't have not set the hook. That hook was set, but that branch, I hit it and it went into its mouth and pulled it out. Like, when he jumped,
Alright, guys.
landed on
All right,
I
you
just
toss
had
it
this
from here.
fish and popped my lure, popped it, and it came up to the surface and had it right, and I just kind of let Will get the GoPro set up and then set the hook on it.
multiple fish right here.
You get a clean release on this guy?
Cool.
Will's got a fish on. Yes, sir. Get it on the bank. Get it on the bank. Nice. Yeah.
Okay, y'all are fine.
Perfect.
Wait,
Let's
we're tied?
go. No, I saw Will unhooking him right here. This fish. Here. Sweet.
Oh, hold on. Shoot.
How many fish? How many? All right, got it.
All right, cool.
How many fish is that?
That's 6.
6. Good grief. It's a lot.
Dude, y'all are reaching my limit at 10.
Nice. All right.
Set this fish back. Nice clean release.
Took off. Nice.
He's off.
Let's go. Nate, the GoPro was stuck on time lapse because when it gets on time lapse, this camera it like shuts off, and it shut off right when he was reeling him in. So I had to turn it off and get it back on. But I mean,
Wait, caught
good
it?
grief, Nate just caught a 2.5 pounder. When I saw his rod bent like that, I was like, that is a big one. Hold him up, Nate.
Will, stop.
Nate, hold him like this. Nate, hold him just like that, just out.
Oh, no,
Grab onto Nate. Maybe you get a
Probably 2 pounder. It's a nice one, Nate. Hold him up.
oh, I cannot get a good grip on
Just
him.
get him like,
No, I can't get a grip
just
on
hold him. Just hold him like that. Release your other hand. Nice. Nice fish, Nate. Probably 2.5 pounds.
Yeah.
Dang.
This guy's
Right
got
here.
the ashes.
Yeah.
All right.
All right. Get him release on him.
Yeah.
Will's got a fish. Oh, he's on.
Oh, no.
Oh, he's on. He's on.
We're
Yeah,
reaching our record.
that's-
We keep getting the record.
Yes, sir, Nate. Yes, sir. Another nice one. Nah, wait. No. Oh, no.
No, he was on the very.
Darn it. We almost had a double. That's two doubles that we lost. They're about the same size. Yours and his.
Yeah.
Nice. All right, get a release on him. That would have been 9 fish.
Good.
I know. It looked like you did, but they were biting today. This is perfect weather. Just keep going. All right, guys. My last 2 casts, I've had this thing. I just watching my line while I'm letting it pop and let it sink down. When it's calm like this, no wind, it just lays on top of the water, and you can see it. It just goes, just start vibrating and start going out. So you know you got a fish on. But it's happened a couple times, and they come off. So we've been, hopefully, now and then one guy actually hooks it. Got a fish on, Will's got a fish on. Nice, Will. Nice.
Will, how many is that for you?
I got 5.
And I got 1. But I got the biggest on the day.
Fish. Oh, no. Must have been weeds or something.